So here's how to download Amazon product video. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you will need to go to your Amazon store, and once you are there, now here you have to go to the product and select it. After selecting the product, then go to the product assets, and here you have to select the video that you want to download. Once you have selected the desired product video, now what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner, and after that here you have to click on the extensions option. After that, here click on the visit Chrome web store option, and once you click on it, now it will take you to the Chrome web store. Now here you have to search for the video downloader. After that, hit on the search, and once you hit on the search, now from the search results you have to go to the extensions and you have to select the extension that you want to download. I will suggest you to download this extension. To download the extension, click on the extension and then hit on the add to Chrome option, and once you hit on this option, now it will start to download. Once the extension has been downloaded, now it will automatically appear in the extensions option. After that, hit on the extensions option and now scroll down and go to the extension that you have downloaded. Here as you can see, here our extension is. Now you have to pin it. After that, you have to go to the video and play it to download it. Once you play it, now it will automatically pick the video and start to download. If it's not picking up the video, you have to click on the force download option to download the video. So that's how to download Amazon product videos.